After this past weekend's severe weather in North Alabama, several people suffered damage to their home. And from storm damage photos, it raised some questions from viewers if metal roofing helps prevent against destruction better than others. Our Sedona Meadows joins us live in the studio. And Sedona, you actually spoke to a local roofer. What did you find out?
Well, Kanisha, there's actually a lot to this because it really depends on how metal roofs are installed and the type of materials used. But let's take a look.
We would get calls from anything between a tree limb being on a roof, half a slope blown off, a couple shingles missing, water leaking into their home. Homeowners just kind of being frantic.
When severe weather hits Huntsville, Brandon Foutte, the president of Advanced Roofing and Construction, says they get several calls for roof repairs. The most recent damaging weather in North Alabama brought up a question from a viewer after they saw this photo of a tree that fell on a metal roof. Do metal roofs protect homes better than traditional asphalt shingles? The answer is usually. It just depends on the material and how it's been installed.
Metal generally does handle storm damage better than a shingle roof does. It's thicker gauge metal, it's screwed down in more places, it usually withstands hail better, wind better, and just generally lasts longer. It doesn't decompose as much. It's renewable, recyclable.
And as this type of roofing can have a lifespan of 60 years or more, less need for repairs, and they can hold up against strong winds up to 140 miles per hour, Foutte says one of the biggest downsides of metal roofing is the cost.
Some roofs take 3 times longer to put on or take more specialty labor. Some metal roofs, what you got to think about compared to a shingle roof is cost to repair down the line. Not as many people do it. Not as many people have the expertise to repair it.
The type of damage metal roofs can get is more long-term.
When you get dings and divots inside of a metal roof, you can damage the finish. You can create a ponding area where water can hold and not run off as fast.
And if it's not properly installed, it likely won't give you any more wind protection than a regular shingle.
So just being educated is the best thing to do. That way you can make the right decision.
Yeah, and Foutte also says many homeowner associations tend to shy away from metal roofs because of their industrial look, although stone-coated metal shingles are starting to get approved by some HOAs. Foutte and his team encourage homeowners looking into roofing to find a company that will educate you on the process and assess your individual situation to put you in the best direction.